artist in Eastern Africa. Again, you guys are going to have to guess. Who do you think the winner is? No takers?
Nobody.
Alrighty. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner, the best female artist in Eastern Africa is...
Denise.
A round of applause for Denise, ladies and gentlemen. Come on.
When the women are winning.
Congratulations.
Salama Lagos. Salama Africa. I'm so humble. I'm so happy. I want to thank God. I want to thank my mom. I want to thank my husband. And I want to thank all my people, my Malagasy people who voted for me. Because of you, we are here tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord. Thank you.